way towards the other side. As they left the shore, they faced the storm, and suddenly they feared for their lives. But upon the sea there someone walked on the water as they listened for his cry. That's when they heard him call out their names. Tenderly he said, "It is I." He's the eye of the storm, the center of my calm, the place where I find shelter, the place where I find warmth, the center of my ways, the keeper of my days. When I can feel the sunshine and my ship is tossed and torn, He's the eye of the storm. They didn't understand how the Prince of Peace could find them in the middle of the sea. But with little faith and God's good grace, joy would overcome the disbelief. Now there are times in life when I face the storm, and I wonder if I ever will survive. That's when I